Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. This is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. It's a massive project. It involves three sections. One is building a bypass road from Shore to the Freeport area. That's the road we're driving on now. We're driving from Shore towards Irving. And the second section involves building a Long Hill bypass, and the third section involves expanding Barnett Street and West Green Avenue in Montego Bay. Now, the main objective of this development is to ease the flow of traffic through the city, to help with the traffic. So by building a bypass road on the outskirts, you don't have to drive through Montego Bay if you're heading along the south coast, or north coast, I should say. You now have an option to go around Montego Bay, and that will have less traffic. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway, just like the toll roads. Actually, they're going to have toll plazas on sections of this road. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. And this article is actually from when the Prime Minister toured. Basically, the Prime Minister is giving an update on this project after he toured it. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness says he is pleased with the progress being made on the construction of the new Montego Bay Perimeter Road in St. James. He said that the road, which is part of the Jamaica 60 Legacy projects, is already 50% completed and is on track to be ready in 2025. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road is not only a bypass for Montego Bay, but also involves improvements to various roads within Montego Bay proper and the Long Hill bypass. I am very impressed with what I have seen, he said. The infrastructure work is impressive. Already 50% completed for such a massive project, which will include a 4-lane bridge that I am told will be the longest in Jamaica, he added. The Prime Minister was speaking to journalists following a tour of the road project, starting at Dr. Horace Chang Boulevard in Anshore and ended at the Construction Material Testing Laboratory in Irving. Describing the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project as a defining legacy for the West, Dr. Holness said the primary objective is to enhance efficiency and productivity by alleviating traffic congestion and frustration, ultimately driving economic growth. He contended that not only will the new road improve the quality of life for residents, but will also benefit various sectors including business process outsourcing, and tourism, by reducing travel time and enhancing accessibility for workers and visitors alike. The Prime Minister commended contractors China Harbour Engineering Company, adding that he is pleased to see the integration of the local labor force in the project. I saw during the tour young people working as laborers, foremen, site managers, engineers, welders, and so on, he pointed out, noting that the country will benefit from the training and experience that the local workers will gain by working on a project of this magnitude. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about this project. Leave your comments in the section below. So the development is 50% complete. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.